Hey home office heroes, this brand new ergonomic chair packs top-notch support features so you can say goodbye to sore backs. Naomi Home Present, the Halle high-back executive office chair. It's built to upgrade your workspace comfort. Its tall back and special air leather upholstery work together to keep your spine aligned. You'll also love the padded armrests. They let you rest your arms comfortably without strain. The seat itself is contoured to eliminate leg fatigue, so you can stay focused all afternoon. You can swivel all the way around and roll smoothly on any surface, making it easy to reach things without standing up. This high-back executive office chair comes in various colors such as black, white, gray, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.